Good morning, everyone. So you're doing the same thing today that you've done all week. You're doing another activity log. Today's video is the body coach again. He's demonstrating how to cool down after a HIIT session. Anytime you exercise, you need to cool down afterwards, meaning you need to stretch, or you'll wake up the next day, you'll be really sore. So he's just demonstrating a couple of things, and he's telling you what he's doing as he's doing it. He's telling you what muscles he's working out, and so you can get a good review from this video. It's 12 minutes 46 seconds long. So just watch this video, and like I said, he's pretty much giving you a play-by-play about what he's doing, so your review should be kind of easy for today. And then as always, you come in here, fill out your activity log. What type of activity did you do, and how long did you do it for, or how frequent did you do it? A lot of you emailed me and asked if you could open up your assignments and do the video that I posted for that day. That's fine too. You don't necessarily have to do something from the day before. If you want to go along with this video for today and use that as your activity, that's fine too. Just make sure for type of activity, just make sure you put down, I did the YouTube video, and then write the title of which YouTube video you did. And then, of course, come down here to write your summary. I've seen a couple of you haven't given me 3 to 4 sentences. I'm not really asking for much, so if you don't give me my 3 to 4 sentences I'm asking for, you're going to get a 0. So it's not that difficult just to write down a review that short. 3 to 4 sentences is not that long. And then this video today, especially, he's pretty much going over everything. So whatever you want to write down, if you want to talk about just a couple of different stretches, or he talks about the benefits of cool down, stretching, and all that. So just go through the video and then come write your review. If you guys have any questions, email me. Don't be afraid to ask me anything about your assignment. And then, of course, please remember to take attendance for today.